Hi guys, in this video you are going to learn about float concept in Pega. So what is a float in Pega? The float concept is a very powerful feature of the dynamic layout which is introduced from Pega 7 onwards. So before Pega 7 it was very difficult to implement this feature. So it provides a responsive user interface. So what exactly is the float? So using a float, so we can push the elements to either left side or right hand side in the user interface. So responsive user interface in the sense like it can be applicable to any other device, any desktop, laptop, or any tablet, and it complies to the all the devices when adjusting the user interface and dragging and expanding the layouts. So the float values can be either none, left, or right. You can choose the values based on how you want to push the dynamic layouts to either left side or right hand side. So that means like suppose if we have one dynamic layout contains a multiple dynamic layouts and you want to adjust the dynamic layouts inside the dynamic layouts, so using the float option, so you can push the dynamic layouts either left hand side or right hand side. So very pretty easy from the Pega 7 onwards. So just by selecting float option in the dynamic layout properties. So what you need to do is just select the dynamic layout which you want to push it to either left hand side or right hand side. Select the properties and select the float option, then automatically it will be adjusted according to your selection. So how to set this float option? Just select the dynamic layout on your user interface, go to the properties in the general section, float. There is an option called float. It's in the drop down. You can choose the values none, left or right. So that's how it will be adjusted specific dynamic layout. So once it is done, the specific dynamic layout will be adjusted accordingly based on the float option. That's it about the float concept in Pega. Thank you for watching.